cool shades of budgie blue color with blue hue for your next project. To generate tints of a color, we add white to the color, and tints creates light and exquisite emotions. To generate shades of a color, we add black to the color, and it is used in patterns. 3D effects, layers and shades create depth and drama. Budgie blue is a cool color, and it emits calming, serene, soothing, refreshing, spacious, unwinding, peace and relaxed emotions. Cool colors are like water, ice, sky, grass, soft and snow. You can see them used in baby products,